Hi children, today we are going to see how to frame questions. So questions are interrogatives. So there are a number of types. Mostly we call it as WH question and yes or no question. Even the topic question tag also we can see under framing questions. Let us see one by one. WH questions. What is WH question? As the name suggests, the question begins with WH word. WH word. What is that? Who, when, where, how, what, which, etc. So I included the word how also, even though the spelling is HOW, we have to call it as WH question. The main reason is it has all the qualities of other WH questions. So now we can see how it should be used, how to use these words. In the lower classes you learned the meaning for those words, and now just we revise it. Who is used for person, right? Who is that boy? My brother Tom. The answer will be my brother Tom. So like that we can answer. It is denoting a person. That's why who is used. When denotes time. When is the party? On Friday at 2 o'clock. So when is the party? So we are giving the time. The person is asking the time. What is on the table? There is a pencil. So it is about object. We cannot ask who is on the table. For some things we cannot ask who. Instead of that we can ask what. Why? To know about the reason we can use the word why. Why are you late? Because I missed the bus. So why is for asking reasons. Where? For place. Where is your book? So where is the book? It is in the bag. So that will be the answer for it. And which is your apple? So it is selectively asked. That means 2 or 3 things are there. Which is your apple? So asking about the particular thing. Among them, which is yours? The green one is mine. The green one. Like that. So again you can see those words: who, when, what, why, where, which, how much. All these are example for WH words. I hope you understood. And while comparing this with yes or no question, you can get more understanding. Because here we are giving more information. So informative question also we can say. When somebody is asking what is your name, we will not say the answer yes or no. We will be giving some information. Statement as answer. But there are some questions. For that we have to give the only answer yes or no. So that will be called as yes or no questions. That's what we are going to see next. Here some more example for it. Who for person. Who is that? That's Nancy. Where is for place. Where do you live? In Boston. Why? For reason. Why do you sleep early? Because I have got to get up early. When is for time. When do you go to work? At 7. How? For asking manner. In what manner? How do you go? By car. What? For object, not for person. Object, idea or action other than person. What do you do? I am an engineer. Which is for choice. 2 or more things are there. Among them, which is yours? Which one do you prefer? The red one. Whose for possession? Who possesses this? Who has this? Whose is this book? It's Alan's. Whom for object of the verb. There is a difference between who and whom. Whom is for object of the verb. Whom did you meet? I met the manager. But nowadays we are using the word who for both who and whom. Who did you meet also acceptable nowadays. I met the manager. Okay. Let us see some more example for yes or no questions. Some example for yes or no questions. Yes or no questions begins with modal verbs or auxiliary verbs, helping verbs. So that's why we can begin with do, does or did or any other be verbs, helping verbs or any other modal auxiliaries. Let us see some examples. Do I need a passport to go to Cuba? Yes, I do. Of course, the answer will be yes or no. No, you do. Yes, you do. No, you don't. That will be the answer. That's why it is called as yes or no question. And do you study at QCA? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Do we go out this weekend? Yes or no. Do they come with the kids? Do they come with the kids? Now you observe the subject. For I, you, we, they, we use the word do as the auxiliary verb. But when we use the word he, she, it as the subject, if it is simple present, we have to use does as the auxiliary verb. Does he watch TV serial? Does he watch TV series? So does is used before he. Of course, the answer will be yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Does she put on makeup every morning? Does she put on makeup every morning? Of course, put is used for past tense too, but if it is present tense, we have to use the word does, yes form. So do is for third person plural and second and first person. That means I, you, we, they. For third person singular, we have to use does only in simple present. Okay, right. And of course, the past tense for it is did. For both do and does, the past form is did. If you want to ask that question in past tense, we have to begin with the did. Did I need a passport to go to Cuba? Or whatever it is, either do or does. For both, we can use did as past. See this example. Do you, like that, if the question begins, if it is yes or no question, we will say yes, I do, or yes, we do, plural form. If it is negative answer, we have to give no, I don't, no, we don't. So, as I said, if the subject is he, she, or it, then we have to use does. Does he? If the question is beginning with the does he, we have to say yes, he does. Then the negative answer, no, he doesn't. Modal auxiliaries like can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must, etc. For that, we can begin with the modal auxiliary itself. Can we? If the question is beginning with the can we, the answer will be yes, we can. So that's all. That is the answer. No, we can't. No, we can't. If the question beginning with the have verbs, have you got, then yes, I have. No, I haven't, etc. Has he got? For third person singular, he, she, it, we have to use has. Instead of have, we have to has in simple present. Just like do and does, here have and has. Yes, we have. Yes, he has. Would you like? If the question beginning with would you like, then yes, I would, or no, I wouldn't. Negative answer. Are you? If the question is beginning with are you, be careful. We have to use yes, I am, not I are. I am. He is asking about me, so we have to use that special affirmative form am. Only for first person we use am. I am. No, I am not. We can use no, I am not for negative. Were you? Yes, I was. Yes, we were. If it is plural, we can use were. If it is first person, we have to use was. Was. No, I wasn't. First person means I. And first person plural form is we. Was it? If the question is beginning with was it, we have to use yes, it was, or no, it wasn't. And the last one, did they? The past form is used here. Did they? Then we have to use yes, they did, or no, they didn't. That we have to use. So now you know how to use WH questions and yes or no questions. So you can frame yourself a number of questions and practice yourself. In the next video we can see about question tag in a detailed manner. Thank you.